All right, guys, got some more records. Let's check them out. First one I got for us, whoa, there's a turd on it from The Rabbit. Now, I've been meaning to tell you guys about this. I want to talk to you guys about D.D. Dumbo. That is the rather silly stage name of a man named Oliver Hugh Perry. My most recent record arrival is Tropical Oceans EP. Put this out 2013-ish, I think. 4AD re-released it, or did the American one or whatever. This here is the original release. I know that because it is white. And why should you care about D.D. Dumbo? Well, it's because he's one of my favorite artists. Or maybe more accurately, his full-length album is one of my favorite records. I have it right here. Utopia Defeated by D.D. Dumbo. This came out, I absolutely fell in love with it. Some people have said his vocal styling sounds like Sting. I didn't really notice that until it was mentioned to me. That's neither here nor there. There's clarinet on it. There's like super reverby, clean guitar on it. This bunny, right in front of me. You guys wanted Biddy, you wanted bunny content. Utopia Defeated, his full length. Check it out for sure. The themes are conservation, environmental awareness. My favorite song on this is called In the Water. It's sung from the perspective of a whale that is at the end of its life, and it's so beautiful. The thing about D.D. Dumbo, the thing about Oliver Hugh Perry, is that he had an American tour lined up. I had tickets to see him, only one, because I've never met another living person that recreationally listens to D.D. Dumbo. I don't know why. And then he kind of dropped off the face of the earth, figuratively. He canceled the tour. He doesn't have any social media, and he hasn't really explained why. Maybe he had some personal stuff happen in his life. And we haven't seen another album from him in, you know, 6, 7 years, 8. Don't quote my numbers. And I think about him all the time because I hope he's okay. And if you see this, Oliver, hope you're all right. I'm a big fan. She's gonna lay turds all over the couch. Be right back. That's why they call them Easter eggs. Next. What is there to say about Lingua Ignota? Recently started to make music under a different name. Her God-given name, Reverend Kristen Michael Hayter, aka or formerly Lingua Ignota. This EP, I think it's her first EP. This is a reissue by her own label, Perpetual Flames Ministries. It's notable to say Lingua Ignota and her current nom de plume, Reverend Kristen Michael Hayter. The musical style gets progressively less harsh. This early stuff, All Bitches Die, I would describe it as rattling chains, Catholic guilt, religious horror, mutual hatred of God, and it all kind of devolves into wailing laments. There's guttural shrieking. It's like you're trapped in a dungeon of pain, emotional and physical pain. For fans of, think The Body, Lady Gaga, okay? Also, Anna von Housewolf, Pharmacon. If your favorite song on Ethel Cain's Preacher's Daughter is Ptolemaea, this might be for you. And also, if you like this, you can no longer listen to Daughters in good conscience. Nice inner sleeve lyrics. Pause to read. Cool. Exclusive to the reissue. I think there's like a pink marble, pink splatter one that she did as well, but this just kind of goes. You know what I'm saying? It just kind of goes. Next thing I want to talk about is Kirin J. Callinan. I've had this in my collection for a very long time. I just discovered the other day that it wasn't open yet, so let's take a look. The album is called Bravado. 40 minutes, 10 tracks. Oh, conversely, that Lingua EP is about the same. It's longer. It's 43 minutes and only 5 tracks. It's an experience. Bravado. What can I say about Kirin J. Callinan? He's a cheeky prankster. Canceled. Just kidding, he's not canceled. What does that even mean anymore? Features on this album, although not listed on the track list on the back. We have Conan Moccasin, Alex Cameron is on this. If you've ever seen that fucking meme where there's a cowboy in the sky screaming, that's from a music video from a song on this record. It's called Big Enough, really good. Oh, and Wise Blood is on this too. And she's also on a couple tracks, like barely credited. It's on Alex Cameron's Forced Witness. So they're all kind of homies, I feel like. It's a gatefold, but it's, wow. See what I'm saying? He's a cheeky prankster. He's peanut butter baby. Ah! He's hanging dong. It's beautiful. It makes me feel, it's like 80s, 90s pop, but like kind of weird stuff, you know? You're not gonna get straightforward beats 100% of the time. I want to talk about his other stuff too. His other records are really good. He has one called Return to Center. It's mostly covers. I think there's only 2 tracks that aren't covers. They're really beautiful. The covers on that record are, well, there's a Spectral Display cover, Rise by Public Image Limited, and the Waterboys, Hole of the Moon. It's awesome. It's awesome. And then his new record, it's equally as good, maybe even his best album. Look up Young Drunk Driver music video, look up The Hole of the Moon music video, and of course, Big Enough. Next, Natural Brown Prom Queen by Sudan Archives. What can I say? What can I say about Sudan Archives? She's so lovely. This record is so buttery. This record is like cocoa butter. It's romantic, it's sexy, it's sensual, really nice. She is like a proficient fiddler, you know? It makes your body move on a deep level if you let it. She's technically innovative, as in her techniques, innovative, technically. The way she arranges her songs, sings them, plays them. Beautiful. For fans of Kajabone, say Tirza, Abra, Solange. Next, an old gold classic. We have here Peaking Lights 936. Nice, well-kept black vinyl. This, okay, duo, husband and wife. They're from Milwaukee. It has super lo-fi, dubby, synthy sensibilities. Hypnagogic chillwave, it's been described as. Lo-fi sensibilities on a more mature hi-fi scale. How about that? For fans of dub reggae, Young Marble Giants, Morricone, you know, there are vocals on it. It's just a nice peaceful album. It is 8 songs and comes in about 48 minutes. What else do I have? That's honestly it. I'm not gonna waste any more of your time. I have some more stuff coming in that should be very interesting. Super niche, super weird shit. You're gonna hate it.